I started with this scrap piece of wood that I had laying around, and I took some smoky quartz from Wise Owl Paint and an R16 Klingon brush, and I just applied the smoky quartz to the entire board. I gave it 2 coats, and once it was fully dry, I had these cardboard stenciled letters, and I had grabbed them one time at Walmart. And using a foam dabber and some black Wise Owl paint, I just lightly dabbed on top of the stencil, and then using a small art brush, I just fill in the lines to complete the letter. Key with this is you want a very small amount of paint on your dabber, so when you're dabbing, the paint isn't going underneath the stencil. And then I added my own little apostrophe at the top there. And now once I had all of my stenciling on, it says let's walk. And when it was dry, I gave it a nice sanding. Then I took my round palm brush and some furniture salve and I applied it as a top coat. Now you see how it just brightens up the paint again after I sanded it, and it also smells really good. I had these decorative hooks. I got them from Target for $1. And I had 2 of them. So taking a small screw, I was able to screw both of those into the bottom of the board. And then I had this hose clamp that I nailed into the back of the board. And I took a flathead screwdriver, and they have a little screw on the side, and when you make it tight, the clamp tightens. And I had to move mine over, so you just loosen it to make it loose again. And once it's nice and tight, it holds the neck of the mason jar, and I added some doggy bones. And I thought this was a nice entryway wall decor that you can keep your doggy leash and collar and store their treats. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Other tutorials can be found over on our YouTube channel. Paint products and brushes over on our webpage at chalkedupfancy.com. Have a great day.